In this video, I will talk about some important search arbitrage updates, what's happening in this space, and what trends I have been seeing recently. But before we dive in, if you want to stay updated on news and trends in the search arbitrage industry, make sure to subscribe my channel and join this WhatsApp group created by the Maximizer team. I will drop the link in the description. So let's start with AFD. As you probably know, AFD is dying. Everyone is complaining about dropping RPCs. And it's true. Personally, now we're around 40% of the revenue is coming from AFD, which used to be 85%. But unfortunately, it has been dropping and now it has come to 20 and it's probably is going to go down next month. And what I've heard that most of the AFD revenue is coming from alternative traffic sources. Even for us, right now we are running very small volume on Facebook and most of our revenue is coming from Outbrain DSP and Bigo ads. And what I heard from other advertisers that this trend is same. Most of the people are relying on alternative traffic sources like Outbrain, Bigo ads, MediaGo, Nextdoor, Mintegral. But the results are mixed. Not everyone is happy with these alternative traffic sources because they are clawbacks. But they are trying to make AFD profitable using these new traffic sources. Now let's talk about RSOC. As I mentioned before, our AFD revenue has been declining and it sits around 40%, whereas our RSOC revenue has been increasing, which is around 60%. And we are seeing growth every single week. Probably we will be doing 80% by next month. The second thing that I wanted to talk about RSOC is which feed providers are reliable and offering RSOC. So number one is Sedo, ads.com, System One, Airfind, Rise, and my personal favorite, Maximizer Rocket. The third thing I think I should mention is which RSOC feed providers are performing best right now. So personally, what we have tested and what I've seen on WhatsApp group and on our community, that the Sedo and the Maximizer Rocket is performing the best. And regarding the traffic sources, I think I should mention it, that the Facebook and Google display is performing the best for most of the RSOC advertisers. I think that is really cool. Facebook and Google display has the most traffic, and it is performing right now really good. So this is it. These were the AFD and RSOC news and updates. I know they were pretty short, but right now that's what I have. I will try to create more videos more frequently, maybe weekly or monthly. Now let's talk about beginners. If you are a beginner in search arbitrage industry, I would recommend you to start from Maximizer Rocket. It is super easy. You don't need third-party tracking system. You don't need to apply for feeds. It is just one platform. You just apply and get everything. And it is super easy. And once you start doing $2,000-$3,000 per day, you can diversify and you can apply for more feeds. But for starters, just go with Maximizer Rocket. All right. In the end, I want to say if you're dead serious about starting your search arbitrage journey, join our academy. It has all the resources you need to start and scale, from choosing the right field to building the campaigns and optimizing it. And also, if you don't have feeds, you can work with us as our media buyer. I will drop the link in the description. Thank you.